Hey YouTube, how's it going? Got my tripod here. Yeah, I'll use this thing. Car's been in here for a few minutes. Thawing it out. Windshield too, you know. Oh, just wash it. Well, bam, right there. Had to get that tire fixed. I took off 3 right here. Other one is still in here. Jacking up the car, sorry I don't got a lot of light. But taking the donut off. The donut had 0 mileage on it. First time using it since probably 92, I don't know. I'm not for sure. So I'm gonna take this out. I'll show you what happened yesterday. Sorry, 2 days ago, not yesterday. I got it fixed yesterday at Walmart in Winona, Minnesota here, and I found a good old friend there. Well, he's not a friend, but he's a friend's dad, so. But yeah, let's get to work. So I got a flashlight here, right here, yellow. The new batteries that I've had for almost a year. Let's see if these batteries are still good. I mean, this is like a $20 flashlight, maybe. Right here. So, let's see, where's the... Right. Here we go. Back you up just a bit. See, now you know what I'm doing here. Still got a razor up to get off this ground. There, higher at right here. I don't know if you can tell. With the snow and shit, but here's all the tread I have left. Okay. So, there's the tire. You know, the donut. Here's the new tire. Here's my case. It's got, you know, all kinds of stuff in it. Could have went and bought a different one, like a $40 version. Let's take the tire out here and show you what's wrong with that. Right here. Here's a plug. I found a nail in there. So now it's time to put it on. Shit. I forgot my cover. Alright, cover time. Okay, here we go. There you go.